You've already learned that a sentence is a group of words that is put together to express a complete thought, like, the kitten is cute. A sentence is made up of two main parts, a subject and a predicate. The subject is the part that tells who or what the sentence is about. Who or what is the sentence about? Right, the kitten. So, the subject of this sentence is the kitten. Let's read some sentences and find their subjects. The first one says, the boy is wearing a costume. Who is this sentence about? Right, the boy. The subject of this sentence is the boy. Now let's look at the next one. Allie is swinging. Who is this sentence about? Allie, nice job. Allie is the subject of this sentence. The subject always contains a noun, and as you know, nouns are words that name a person, a place, or a thing. There could also be a pronoun like he or she that is taking the place of the noun, but of course that pronoun would be referring to a noun. Sometimes the subject contains only a noun, like in the sentence, Allie is swinging. Sometimes the subject contains two words, like a giraffe has a long neck. Sometimes the sentence contains even more words, like that silly little clown is funny. The subject is that silly little clown. 4 words. When we identify all of the words in a subject, we are identifying the complete subject. The complete subject is the noun with all of its modifiers. That, silly, and little are all words that modify or help describe the clown we're talking about. Let's identify the complete subject in these sentences. The first sentence is, I have fun with my friends. That one's easy. The complete subject is I. It's only one little word, but it's the pronoun I use to refer to myself. Okay, the next sentence is, our clubhouse is in my yard. Do you know the complete subject? Right, it's our clubhouse. 2 words. Okay. The Wise Owls is our club's name. What's the complete subject? You've got it. The Wise Owls. There are 3 words in that complete subject. Okay, last one. What's the complete subject in the girl in the red bandana is named Amy? That's a long one. The complete subject is the girl in the red bandana, because that's who the sentence is about. Okay, let's return to the fact that every subject contains a noun, or perhaps a pronoun that refers to the noun. In the sentence, my brother Joey likes spaghetti, the complete subject is my brother Joey. The noun in that complete subject is Joey. Joey is actually what we call the simple subject of this sentence. The simple subject is the noun or pronoun that names who or what the sentence is talking about. In the sentence, a giraffe has a long neck, the simple subject is the noun giraffe. The article a is part of the complete subject, but the simple subject is just the noun giraffe. Remember the sentence, that silly little clown is funny? We had a very long complete subject, that silly little clown, but the simple subject is just clown. That's the noun that names who the sentence is about. Sometimes the complete subject and the simple subject are exactly the same, like in the sentence, Allie is swinging. Allie is the simple subject and Allie is the complete subject. That's because our subject only contains a noun. There are no adjectives describing or modifying the noun Allie. Sometimes the complete subject contains two nouns, like in the sentence, "The girl in the red bandana is named Amy." We have the noun girl and we have the noun bandana. How do we know which one is the simple subject? Well, we need to determine which noun tells who or what the sentence is about. So we look at the predicate. Is this sentence saying the girl is named Amy, or is it saying the bandana is named Amy? That's easy. The simple subject is girl because this sentence is telling us about a girl named Amy. Sometimes the simple subject actually contains more than one word. Like in the sentence, New York City has many tall buildings. The complete subject is New York City, and the simple subject is also New York City. It's only one place, but there are 3 words in its name. Some nouns are like that. You might have 3 names, a first, middle, and last name, but they are only naming one person, so the 3 words make up just one noun. Okay, let's quiz ourselves on what we've learned by finding the complete and simple subject in some sentences. In the sentence, Mrs. Watkins lives on Main Street, what is the complete subject?